All right, ebusiafo enenso no yasanso ehia biem ebehwe ekwan pa baako a yebetumi afaso emeki money online. Se wenim se ahase de bia no de yehwe nyina eye kwan a yefaso emeki money online. Na ene no mechro de me ya metumi edi meki 36 Ghana cedis every day. At least metumi nya 36 Ghana cedis. Eno enene mibedi ho enkomo ede akere wo no. Enti ansa na yebetoa enkomo ne so no. Odema yenye calculations bi ha sei na yenhwe ade se utimi make 36 Ghana cedis today a ne obenya in a week or month. Enti 36 Ghana cedis na ye multiply by 7 which is a week. Okay, into a week, menya 252 Ghana cedis for free. Chese esikane ho dwoa obi ani mini asem bia wo ho a mobile money mu na betom kunkron na de mpe bia no mede aye. Okay, into we a week yemfa ne say month nso month 36 multiplied by 30. Okay, month no 1080 cedis. Inti sasika we say kra no mesere ka say yeni a yewo platform sisi a yeni a yehwe video sisi a impo no ye mu bebre wo hono mu a sika yenya yebosom yaketua no endu 1080 cedis yeboana no krasem na meka no. Okay, but sa platform we say yibetumi MQ 1080 cedis easily. Na eno na me bekiro na we nyina mpo no we ye WhatsApp de menya wo WhatsApp keke inti ne mekiro sene ubetumi emeki 36 Ghana cedis every day on WhatsApp. Okay, and I'm better. My BB, my template ni na ha say ama wo a onni ha obi a ho ne wo betwere wo WhatsApp ni so nyina ma twero de da ede amount nti de wo hia nyina ne say wo be take action. Okay, enti website a ye di edi dwuma ene no still Nation Republic bia na wa register but unhunu kwan ya befa so a obenya enkrofo na omo assign app a mepa chawo eno nene me ba betire wo no easy way wo WhatsApp so nti WhatsApp enene no ye de eba abeye bribia. Okay, nti busuafo sign up to Nation Republic. Me the link no ato video description no ase me referral link. Enti miasa referral link ne so nefa register. O register emfa so no me so manye bi ewo ho. Enti mesre ye ne sama me you see me referral link no nefa register. So want me you see referral link ne kra na se oba website ne so director. Me username no road to wealth. Kani nyina bom mentintem. Okay, enti register for an account. Na account no wo de 10 Ghana cedis and be register 10 Ghana cedis pe and wo de be register na wonya emfaso bebre edi efri ho no sanya mesi make 36 Ghana cedis at least a day me be kire wa won so betumi aye ne sabi no eno wo de 10 cedis pe and be register inti pe 10 Ghana cedis inti won si atwere ha say 10 Ghana cedis only. Okay, say wo de me referral link no eba website ne so a bom si atwere we say ama say you are invited by Stephen Nana AJC Kappa Road to Wealth. Okay, inti wa register we a and say wa click link ni so a na wa fill sa simple form ya wa hey but say wo you see website no direct and one from referral link na oba maka cho say username and say referral name na obi o invite you na wo de Road to Wealth ede asha ha say. Okay, my yento aso afei na wakoso aye wo transaction no nti se wo you see MTN a obe send wo 10 cedis no akoma sa number we say edi ebeba no ye Nation Information Technology Airtel Tigo onsu dia number obe yisi eni di ebeba eni wo yisi Vodafone a obetumi asend sika no akosa number we say eso. Okay, nti owi a ohun transaction ID na network providers for no be send amount no also we make payment bia ya mo transaction ID sa transaction ID no na obebo abehya ha sei na motumi ehunu say eye wo na wo particular na wo ye payment no. Okay, na aboa owi a na wo do password ahya ha sei no confirm password no na what take I understand and accept the terms and conditions no na afei we create account na wono be send you email say verify account no na wa verify account no. Okay, say ombeje watum fully a no ombe review account no into within an hour no na omo review account na wie na omo accept o abeka ekuo no ho na wonso tumi abe make money ewa ha say. But say wo ye no anadwo na say wonom apon edwuma de a eji say anapa no na onom a accept account no ama fully. Say account no activated a onso ubenya username and I say referral link. Okay, ewa ha say enti referral link no se ba esro ha say enti sa referral link we say and I also dey ma obi na say enipa no click wo referral link ne so na de register na wenya 9 Ghana cedis per person bia a obe register bia no ubenya 9 Ghana cedis edi efri ne ho ma menhwe ni padodo a se omo register wo username mu anase udin mu a ubetumi enya 36 Ghana cedis a day. I think say 4 people into 9 multiplied by 4 36. Yes, into de bia no what target ne say pay enipa 4 at least 4 na omo a register to Nation Republic using your referral link na say wo username no. Okay, ansana yebetwa enkomo ne so no mesre say obe subscribe to sa channel we say woni je ho say obe make money online kwa dia ene na subscribe to channel we na turn notification bell no on afa video we say man like kese na video no entumi enyini ewo YouTube afa comment bibia pese okay bia ka ewo comment section na say mame na yendi enkomo ewo ho beda say ebusuam yento aso sa strategy ene mede ma no die wodi be make sa sika we ewo WhatsApp enko WhatsApp strategy enko na mede ema we mesan so ababack na mabeka another strategies ho enkomo e de akyerewa obetimi e de make money online through Nation Republic. Emo re official register obe use me referral link na register and I say wodi me username roadtowealth na be register. Okay, yenko yenim hwe my sa document we e de amount ubetimi download it for free ewo video description no ase download it for free na AUC. Okay, eno ho komo na mbebo de akire wo no we mia na me create na me de amount for free into UC opa se won pe me bro for na matro na me bro for 7 no enko nim samudie enti no ubetimi edit na watro no send ya wankasa ope no se open say yanson so de copy and paste o copy no paste o copy no paste. Okay, WhatsApp strategy na me use a me kire wo no eni enti how I make 36 cedis every day on WhatsApp to Momo. Okay, trick ni first of all no create WhatsApp group and promote Nation enti create WhatsApp group. Say o create WhatsApp group na fe din bia ope bia pato so bia make money online make 36 cedis daily and as any time bia na ebe sound sweet and as ebe sound catchy ama nkrofo a join a group no o create group na wa share their two groups a wo bia any WhatsApp group a wo bia no send it to fa group link no fatum now the group link no atum na aya na wo ho download the money and as sika na efaye wo group icon no eno ebeboa akache nkrofo attention more na among abe join a group no. Okay, say one join group na my introduction we edi among we any introduction na ubetimi aye ewo group no ubetimi aka say ansa na ebeto aso no aha say eye roadtowealth aha no de bia ye hwe kwan ye befa so a ube make money online most of times no ye affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, trading, e-commerce any ade. Okay, entino pomodin say ube subscribe to channel no na what turn it on notification bell no if so you willing say ube making money online kwa dia like video we na comment introduction in here obetimi aka say you are welcome to this money making platform. Kindly stay. I will soon update the group about all that it takes to make 36 Ghana cedis online every single day for free. Before the tutorial gets started, kindly go through the rules governing this group. Inti me the rules in so amo. Rule number 1, only admins have the permission to change group icon or title. Okay, into groups no rules no ha. O de wo download the form na wan kasa be hu rules no se opa fabika ho opa so sesan so a sesa. Okay, enti se o di rules no emo mu wi a na afei wo oguso e otwen se obenya nkrofo mo join nti bia after every 10 people bia a join bia no and I say reasonable number bia join your group no na o de sa introduction we e de atum including rules no na we de atum na ama nipa no enya adwen bi se sebe enye nsemfo na ye bedi o platform ne so obi ho no monya join group na o post ade bia keke okay obi yesa na utumi yi ni free okay na wa concentrate on making your money okay enti uwia body ni patron copy introduction ni body no and post o group ni mo we de me no me de kire wa de heke okay body no de obetimi atro after o introduction ni obetimi aka say let me welcome you once again guys. I'm road to wealth and also people within our passé the fro intimi no me say I am road to wealth and I'm here to review to you how I at least make 36 cedis to my mobile money wallet every single day. Okay, good. Now what start tutorial now what start no. The system we are going to use is a Ghanaian based website that is making people rich and relieving the burden of students by making some free cash from their platform. The name of the company is Nationton Republic. You can visit their website via this link. Inti me link ni die me referral link ni ni enti se uye nipa hofo na register ya if I chow use referral link no enti won so a wo download the template we no won so be use wo referral link na what the asha ho ascend wo group members no good. Now what so this website can pay you between 9 Ghana cedis to any amount you can think of with just an investment of 10 Ghana cedis. Now I'm breaking about. I hope it's interesting, right? I will see a major template now at the ato video description as a download the na AUC information via over here at the IO tutorial or WhatsApp and so on and me de ato haseno until they download the na AUC. Why? Better say one thing I'll bet me a sound so I be say I have 2 status. Instead of say all the fun things ever 2 status man for asreno. Oh dear, ubet me are you but fat seeker 7 or 2 or say bia join me to make money online. Join me to make at least 36 cedis online. I make 36 cedis online daily. Do you want to know how? Fat bribi sato to status. Now phone contact or friends and contact on your mundi komo na omonson sign up with your username na efa make money online. Intervision for per 10 Ghana cedis per na efa ko make a lot and a lot of online. Kai said ube yisi me referral link na ewo video description no ase and ase ube yisi the username road to wealth na ode a register fe na yeko yen name subscribe to our channel we say so when je ho say ube make money online kwa dia ene channel we manonda wa koma so subscribe na turn on notification bell no afei like this video we na e comment na video no entimi engrow ewo YouTube ayama yenhia ewo videos na edi yen nim no mo ba ko me de wasi bribie ni a comment na me ne wo endi enkomo